What's up everyone, Landon with LMR.com, and today I'm going to be checking out this 1999 to 2004 style SVE shift knob designed for the 1979 to 1998 5-speed manually equipped Mustangs. If you're in the market to retain a factory style shift knob, but want to add a touch of styling from the 99 to 04 Mustangs, then you should consider this particular shift knob from SVE. This SVE shift knob is modeled after the factory shift knob found in the 1999 to 2004 New Edge Mustangs, which will provide an improved grip because of the larger design. The core of the knob is wrapped in black simulated leather that incorporates factory-like grain and texture, and high-quality stitching that is sure to blend well with any 1979 to 1998 interior. A 5-speed shift pattern can be found at the top of the shift knob, easily indicating gear location. SVE does utilize a factory thread pattern of M12 by 1.75, so this shift knob is obviously going to fit factory shifters or any aftermarket shifter that incorporates the factory thread pattern. Now, because of the black simulated leather, this shift knob is correct for 79 to 98 Mustangs, but it will still fit all 1979 to 2004 Mustangs equipped with the 5-speed manual transmission. Start by unscrewing the factory shift knob or another aftermarket shift knob from the handle. Fully seat the SVE shift knob before tightening. Depending on the overall length of the threads on your shifter handle, 7 to 8 turns should be ideal to fully tighten the shift knob. Of course, when installing your new SVE shift knob, be careful not to over tighten. Again guys, if you're wanting to upgrade the shift knob in your 1979 to 1998 Mustang but still retain a factory-like look, then this 99 to 04 style SVE shift knob is the way to go. To see more how-to and review videos covering industry-leading products, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and don't forget to turn on notifications. While you're at it, check out our other videos and don't forget to shop LMR.com for all things 1979 to present Mustang and SVT Light.